Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart Me. Today, in the Slack for Beginners series, we are going to be talking about channel messages. Sending a message in a channel is similar to sending a direct message. The only difference is that there are more recipients in this case. So, to send a message in the channel, all I need to do is just to type what I want to communicate in the text box in room 5. And with that, we are able to send a message to the channel. Everybody in this channel is going to see this message that was sent. If I want to notify and ensure that everyone that's in this channel get an active message, an active notification, that is, they get a notification sound on their phone or on their laptop, I can use a special handle called @channel. So I can say @channel till next week, Monday. With this, every member of this channel is going to receive a notification from Slack. Alternatively, I can use @here, which is going to notify every person that is in this channel and is online. So all the people that are in this channel but are not online, they are not going to get a notification. I can just say the same thing too in the upper room. Now, these two handles @channel and @here is going to notify a broad audience. Imagine a channel where we have hundreds of participants and everybody is communicating and using the @channel and @here handle. This is going to lead to excessive notifications. So that's why it's advisable that we use specific handles that we want to notify. Let's say I want to post a message that's for everyone, but at the same time, I want Smart to get an active notification. Let's say CC @smart. Now, everyone in the channel is going to see this message, but it is only Smart that will receive a push notification for the message on his end. Another aspect that is peculiar to sending messages in channel on Slack is replying and responding to messages. It is always good to respond to a message in the channel via a thread. And how can we do that? It's as simple as going to the message that I want to respond to and clicking the reply button to the right, as you can see. This is going to open its own side tab where we can then continue a thread for this particular message. So the advantage of using a thread is that we are not going to clutter the entire channel, but instead, the message, anybody coming in later on will be able to follow and retrace the steps. All right, now that we've discussed about thread, how do we see all the threads that we are involved in? That's very simple. We just need to come to the thread menu here at the top left corner. We can click on it and we see all the threads that we are involved in and the recent updates, including the messages that we have not read. So with this, we are able to catch up and maintain context, right? So if I scroll down, you can see on my screen saying I still have one unread. So that means there's another thread that there's a new message that I should read. Finally, there's also another section just below it, mentions and reactions, that is going to list all the messages that other people have reacted to, either the messages that we have reacted to, or the messages that mentions our name, Udo. So this is pretty good and can help us to find messages very easily. So if someone tags you on the message, you receive the notification on your device, but you can't find the message somehow, it's always advisable to come to the mentions and reactions. You will see them at the top, typically, and it will be available for you. So these two places makes it very accessible to find messages and to maintain context. Right. Just like we can send attachment in a direct message. We can also do the same in a channel. It's pretty much the same thing. If I click on this, you can upload file from your computer, and then that will get that can be sent and shared with people in the channel. We can also respond with an emoji, and then send an emoji to the channel as well. Finally, we can also respond or react to individual messages with an emoji. For example, I can just say check mark here for this one to show that I've acknowledged this, and then I can also just react here to show that this situation has been taken care of. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.